Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It was on a rainy day in a rainy suburb. It was I spied a lonely housewife there. Oh, she looked so locked up. So I said, won't you open the door? I'll show you some more. But vacuum cleaning and dishes, the fashion magazines. I said, I am the computer killer. She said, oh, come on in. You're like a TV thriller. I said, oh, yes, I may tickle your face. You know you look like it's not too late. Not now, now. You open the door, I'll show you some more. Ever since that stranger opened up her door, everything gets stranger. Nothing's like before. Now it's much too much. The bastard's much too small. Life without a grown man's very scary. And after all, I sat down on an expensive chair. Luxury was everywhere. It was the court of a household queen. Oh, but she's only a queen of machines, the fool. Yo, 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 yo. It's only her rule. Of a long clock's holes in his socks, martini on the rocks. I said, let's stop the rhythm of the clock and switch to the rhythm of some rock and roll. We were rocking and rolling, and our pals in our head but tall, and we danced. Oh, she let loose and we stopped the clock, and the household queen broke down, down, down. Everything since that stranger opened up her door, everything gets stranger. Nothing's like before. Now it's much too much true. The bastard's much too small. Life without a grown man's very scary. And after all, oh, now she's a living soul. Ooh, excited now beyond control. Ooh, no, she feels like never before. Ooh, but I took her through a one-way door. And I got scared of what she won. Instead of vacuum cleaning and dishes, the fashion magazine. Ever since that stranger opened up her door, everything got stranger. Nothing's like before. It was on a rainy day. I told her I was going away. She asked me, oh, come back soon. But I felt like a big balloon, blow low by the dreams and the schemes of my mind. And I couldn't even face the wreck I left behind. Ever since that